Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. 10 September 2020 today. Still with my plan. I wanna see this Euro Yen will be going up, and then the Euro Dollar the same with the Euro Yen. And I'm using the same time frame, 1 hour, and this is 1 hour. So with that, expected that. Euro yen will be going up, and then euro dollar will be going higher again. So actually it's too risky if we want to buy it around this area, but everything can do. But we can try it because my system is very safe for us as a trader because I'm using price action hedging. This is the for me this is the best system that I'm using until now. And even we are wrong the position, for the example, just like this one, we have set it at the 106, and then we have to buy. I already buying and the euro dollar yen. I expected that it's the same with the euro yen, but I don't know if this is going low again. Then this is my lock position for dollar yen. Okay. Because you know what, still expected that if I'm not sure about the yen will be going up or will be going low, so I will close one of them. Then now why I am buying this yen, because it's I already see the bullish engulfing around this area, and this is the bullish, not this one, guys. Not this one. Oh, white, not white. Maybe gray will be good, guys. This one maybe water blue. No, this one is. Let me try this one. No, I'll try to another open position. So gray, this will be good, I think, but it's too dark. I don't have any good color, guys, so that's why. Okay, this one maybe blue. I saw this is the bullish engulfing for me. We have Paris. We already have, this is the Paris candlestick, and then this is the bullish, so the price is still going higher. It's already close above the Paris candle, so I mean, soon as maybe, in my opinion, that according to bullish or Paris engulfing, that this is the pair will be going higher. So if I am wrong, then the price is going low. Yeah, I have a sell stop in my position that will be lock my position. So I have 4 open position in the dollar yen. For the next example is this one. We already have, this is the bull candlestick versus the one Paris candlestick. The price will, if this Paris can this if this Paris engulfing is valid, that the price will be, that the price never going up again. The same with this one, but this is not valid. The Paris is not valid because the higher high, this is the higher high is already break with the new higher high, so that's why this Paris engulfing for me is this is not valid. So if we have position sell it, then you know what, if we sell it around this area, so of course our position right now in the lock position open in the new new position again. So that's why price action hedging for me is
it's quietly safe to understand in the market. Even you don't know the price will be going up or will be going low. The important thing is you buy and selling uh, according to the bullish and bearish engulfing. If there is no bullish or bearish engulfing, then you must be waiting in some areas. Okay, for example, this one I would like to buy. This is 30 40, maybe this is the 40 pips. Okay, 40 pip I think is enough. Why I'm buying, guys? Because this is the bullish engulfing. Actually I want to buy around this area, but it's too late, guys, too late to buy. Then yeah, if I've wrong, then they sorry, then they will open, my position will be open, my position, this is my lock position will be open, so it will be triggered. Then that's why my position is currently in lock position. Okay, this is how I play, and for me I save with this one. Okay, so I can sleep very well because I'm not thinking about the price will be going up or will be going low. If my position in the wrong position, uh, then I will have some lock position. That's why I suggesting to you guys better to using the price action hedging, because we never know the price will be going up or will be going low. Better for us is we have some minus for about 40 pips, not more than 40, or maybe 50 pips, not 50 pips maximum, and but we can sleep very well. Okay, so that's why once again I suggesting to you, better for you if you are using the some uh, bullish or bearish engulfing. Okay, because you never know. So I don't know what the price will be going up or will be going low. For me, I am buying according to the bullish and bearish engulfing, buying or selling according to bullish or bearish engulfing. If I have some wrong position, then I have some lock position. It is better. Okay, guys. So once again, okay, and yes, I do have some account management program. This is my management program. You can contact me using my telegram number. This is my telegram number, guys, so you can contact me anytime using this telegram number. Okay, because I'm only using the telegram for now. Okay, this is my telegram number. Just contact me using my telegram number if you're interested in my program, account management program, with profit share 40, 60, 40 for debtor and 60 for you as the investor. Okay, this is my number, guys, so yeah, contact me anytime using this telegram number. Okay, so once again, we never know the price will be going up or will be going low. All we have to do is lock position if necessary. Okay, there is no bullish around this area, guys. There is no bullish engulfing we saw today. Okay, there is no bullish engulfing around this area, so we must be waiting until now. The price will be going up or will be going low. If you want to buy it, just using this setup, using the setup, because we saw this is the bullish. We already see this is the bullish. Okay, because we already see this is the bullish engulfing. So the price until now cannot break this lowest candlestick around 0.6664. so if you want to
buying around this area, I suggesting to you it is we have some minus only not more than 10 point. I think this is will be good for us to buy, guys. I think this is will be good for us to buy. Okay, this is how I play, guys. Okay, once again, this is my account management program. Just contact me using this my telegram number anytime, anywhere. You can contact me with my using my telegram number. Okay, have a nice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye and have a nice day.